Hi, friends, welcome to our technology channel. Today I will tell you 9 free courses on Udemy with certification. In today's video, the courses are for a software developer, photo editor, photography, Bitcoin lending, accounting and many more. All the course you see in this video are free for 27th and 28th April 2020. I request you to watch today's video till end because there's some best free course that will be beneficial to you all. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as we publish our videos. So let's get started. The first course is Ubuntu Linux. This course is especially for an operational engineer who wants to learn the Linux operating system. This course is for both, that is for beginner and also to an intermediary who wants to increase his knowledge. The demand for a Linux engineer is increased in the IT market. So if you want to become a professional, you can enroll this course. The course instructor is Mustafa Mohammed. Rating for the course is 4.6 and the 5,700 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 3 hours 31 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The second course is the iPhone Photography Masterclass Editing. This course is for the one busy in their social world, that is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. This course basically helps to take a better picture by different angles and gives tips to edit photos to upload the attractive photos. The course instructor is Indie Media. Rating for the course is 3.5 and the 3,700 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 5 hours 7 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The third course is Ultimate Photoshop CC Absolute Beginners Course. This course is for photographers, designers, illustration and graphic designers. The course helps to get knowledge from scratch, that is editing photos, creating the custom graphic and much more. The course instructor is Mitchell Bouchard. Rating for the course is 4.1 and the 22,900 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 4 hours 4 minutes. Enroll now, 8 hours left. All the courses we see today, the link given in the description. As you click on it, our website page appears. Then see the course which you needed. After, you will find the button of enroll below the course. Click on it, then you will directly go to the Udemy website, where you will get the free course to enroll. The fourth course is After Effects CC 2D Character Animation, Puppet and Rig. This course is the beginner course of 3D animation. By enrolling this course, you will able to understand 3D animation. And also for the students who want to learn 2D character animation. This course is not for the experts and individual knows the Adobe After Effects. The course instructor is Lawe Zambaraki. Rating for the course is 4.6 and the 19,200 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 1 hour 14 minutes. Enroll now, 8 hours left. The fifth course is 3D and After Effects CC, Working and Animating in 3D Space. This course is for video editors, that is also for an individual, and to the commercial editors. This course can be enrolled by YouTubers, film editors, etc. The course includes shadows, depth of field and much more. The course instructor is Lawe Zambaraki. Rating for the course is 4.8 and the 17,300 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 2 hours 19 minutes. Enroll now, 8 hours left. The sixth course is Sensors, Everything You Need to Know. This course is especially for the electronic engineer. This course explains the working of the sensor and the working principles of the sensor. The course instructor is Educational Engineering Team and Ashraf Said. Rating for the course is 3.7 and the 3,500 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 1 hour 32 minutes. Enroll now, 8 days left. The seventh course is Video Editing, Premiere Pro and After Effects Dynamic Linking. This course is for them who are starting their career in video editing. This course helps them to guide in a proper step-by-step by using proper techniques while editing a video. And also learn about dynamic linking within Premiere Pro and After Effects. The course instructor is Laue Zambaraki. Rating for the course is 4.7, and the 27,600 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 1 hour 2 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. The 8th course is Accounting 105, Profit and Loss Statement and Balance Sheets. This course is for commerce professionals want to learn about accounting from scratch. And also for the students to improve their accounting skills. The course contains all the balance sheets, profit and loss accounts, net profit and gross profit, etc. The course instructor is Shakir Elahi, no rating provided, and the 1,900 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 1 hour 31 minutes. Enroll now, 17 hours left. The 9th course is the complete Camtasia course for content creators. Start now. This course is for a video editor. This course helps them to increase their editing skills in a video by applying different effects, filters, transactions, etc. The course can enroll by YouTubers, video editing professionals, and for one who wants to start a career in video editing. The course instructor is Julian Orit, no rating provided, and the 15,900 students enroll to this course. Duration of this course is 9 hours 9 minutes. Enroll now, 1 day left. That's it for guys today. If you liked the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.